Dear Lord, I lift up my family to you today, asking for your protection and care. Please watch over each of them and keep them safe from any harm, both seen and unseen. Surround them with your angels and guide their steps. Protect us from illness, accidents, and anything that could bring danger. Help us to grow in love and unity, and keep our hearts focused on you. When we face challenges as a family, remind us that you are our protector and that you are always with us. Thank you for the love and care you have for us, and help us to always trust in your goodness. Keep us close to each other and close to you. I place my family in your hands today, knowing that you are always watching over us. In Jesus' name,